Let's we based on these contents to try ChatGPT to write one speech. Okay, I try the Chinese one first. It's around 40 seconds or even 1 minute. 1 minute. Wait. Now begin. 演讲稿 speech. The format, correct. Then contents. The topic. How to save the result to solve the problem. Not very fast already. 最后 blah blah but didn't finish. 最后我们 click regenerate. Still take much longer, but it's okay, much faster than we read by ourselves. But the title is not so accurate. This respect one should be dear one, dear students, because it's by the headmaster read to the students. So the addressing should use the dear one, not respect one. Okay, first one, talk the topic, then explain the problem, then suggestion. Then furthermore, but still didn't finish all. Okay, let's we try the English one. English one is much faster. Let me take the timer. Very fast. You can count the time to see how many seconds. From the video you can check. Still write in, ask question in English, but still write out in Chinese. addressing topic, then explain the facts, then give the suggestions, but still didn't finish. Okay, let me write one article, write a speech, paste here first. No, just copy this one. Let me refresh. So clear all the previous chatting message. Now copy paste in English. Will it still answer me in Chinese? Oh, here, Chinese character. Oh, it's my fault. Okay. Now I know the reason. It's my fault. Okay, let's refresh. Change the words. Just delete. And see, if in English, much faster. Okay, now I change. Write a conversation. Write a conversation. Yeah, this is conversation. Okay, nice writing. Good conversation.